This is a used 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include heated seats, a HomeLink system, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.